Welcome everyone to another Khan Academy tutorial. We're doing area of rectangle with partial arrays today. Partial arrays, I should say. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm guessing we're going to have to use some rectangular area formulas based on the title. So here's our first problem. The following rectangle is partially split into unit squares. What is the area of the rectangle above? Okay. Essentially what it wants us to do here is it wants us to figure out what's the length and width based on this. So we have 2 square units is the width, we'll call that the width, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square units is the length. The area of a rectangle is length times the width. So for this problem, our length would be 5 and our width would be 2. Why does this work? Well, if we were to continue this pattern right here, as you can see, it wants us to know how many square units. So we could just count the number of square units we get, or apply this formula. So like I said, 5 times 2a, that should be our area for square units. For this, how many square units did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see we got the same thing. It's essentially the application of multiplication. So we get 10 square units for this problem. And we'll go ahead and punch it in. And I don't know if this one is on the app. What is the area of the rectangle above? Oh, it wants the whole rectangle. That's a little ambiguous. So it wants the whole thing. I was just thinking the rectangle that's shown there, not including the squares. It should probably be a little bit more specific than that. Okay, so sorry, it's not 5 by 2. It's a 3 by 7. So its area equals 3 times 7 equals 21. So we had 10 before. So we just need to add 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we get 21. That was very rude. You should have said the big rectangle. All right, next question. You improved your answer. Well, I improved your question. How about that? 1 is a square unit. It gives us the diagram. What is the area of rectangle A? A little bit more specific this time. Like I said, you could continue the pattern and just count if you want. I'm going to do the fast method, which is area equals length times width. Apply our formula. The length here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and our width is 3. Now, they're interchangeable. You could call 6 the width and 3 the length. It doesn't really matter because you're just multiplying them anyway, and it's commutative. So we get 18 square units for our answer, 6 times 3. And let's punch it in. There we go. Good work. Keep it up for 5 more. The following rectangle is partially covered with unit squares. Which figure has the same area as the rectangle above? Okay. Again, this one's testing your knowledge. We could continue the grid, which I've been saying each time, or we could simply count the number of squares that we have. So we have this top length. We'll call it the length. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. Why does everyone lower their voice when they count? I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 9 by 7. So we just need to find one that's comparable to 9 by 7. Here it is. 9 by 7. C. Final. Kind of cool problems here. I like the variety. The following rectangle is partially split into unit squares. Okay, so we got unit squares. What's the area of the rectangle above? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is actually a square. So area of a square is length times width, or it's area equals a side squared. That's equal to a side squared, or a side times itself. S times S, because for a square, the sides are the same. So we get 5 squared, or 5 times 5. Both answers give us 25 square units. And if you were to do this, just for the sake of doing this every time, you would count all the squares, you would get 25 square units. All right, rectangle A. We're gonna speed this up because I think you get the general idea. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me just double check that. 4 and 4, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 8, 56. Next question. Okay, partial. We're going to have to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're looking for an 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 8. First one. Bingo. Let's roll. Next question. Last one. The following rectangle is partially split. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 4, 32. punch it, we're done. We're out of here. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hope that you found this helpful. And if you want to check out some other videos on area, other geometry concepts, Algebra 2, Algebra, this is the place for you. Come back for more. Leave a comment if you need something, and I hope to see you next time.